From the outside, they look like something pulled straight out of science fiction, a filmmaker's wild imagination brought to life. But every clip you're about to see isn't CGI, and none of these machines are futuristic movie props. They are real, powerful, and working in industries across the world right now. Imagine a truck so tall it dwarfs a two-story building, a machine that chews through solid rock like butter, or a crane that can move entire skyscraper sections in one swing. These creations defy logic and make you question if your eyes are deceiving you, yet they're fully real and redefining what human engineering can achieve. When people first see the Veggie 75710, many assume it's an edited image. Standing at nearly 27 feet tall, this mining truck is the largest in the world, capable of hauling 450 metric tons of material in a single trip. That's equivalent to 7 fully loaded Boeing 737s worth of passengers. Watching it maneuver across open-pit mines is surreal. Its size makes normal dump trucks look like toys, and when it's loaded with rock, it looks more like a moving hill than a truck. The Liebherr T284, another mining colossus, pushes over 4,000 horsepower. Its thunderous movements across rugged terrain seem unreal, yet it's essential to modern mining. Together, these megatrucks prove how far human ambition has gone to fuel industries. But mining trucks pale compared to the Bagger 293, a German-built bucket wheel excavator. Often called the world's largest land vehicle, it stands over 300 feet tall and stretches 700 feet long. Imagine an entire city block moving on tracks, scooping tens of thousands of tons daily. Watching its wheel churn through soil feels like witnessing a science fiction machine devour the earth. Equally jaw-dropping is the Bertha tunnel boring machine, once the world's largest of its kind. At 57 feet in diameter, its rotating cutting head looked like a mechanical monster's mouth. As it drilled beneath Seattle, creating an underground highway, people couldn't believe something so vast could even function underground. Yet, it carved its way through with relentless precision. The Big Bertha cranes, often used in mega construction projects, defy imagination with their lifting power. China's Zhenhua port cranes, for example, can effortlessly swing massive shipping containers across entire ports. Their precision combined with their size makes them look animated, as if someone digitally enlarged regular cranes and set them to work. Moving to the skies, nothing was more surreal than the Antonov and 225 Maria. With a wingspan longer than a football field and 6 roaring engines, it lifted payloads heavier than ships. Watching this giant take flight was like seeing a skyscraper levitate. Sadly destroyed in 2022, its legacy still lives as one of the most powerful machines ever created. On the ground, the P&H 4100 XPC electric rope shovel redefines what an excavator can be. At nearly 100 feet tall, each scoop can lift 120 tons. Its slow, graceful movements make it feel unreal, like a moving skyscraper calmly scooping the earth. Space exploration relies on surreal machinery too. The NASA Crawler Transporter, weighing over 2,700 tons, carries rockets from the assembly building to the launch pad. Watching it creep along, supporting spacecraft taller than the Statue of Liberty, feels like watching an old-school movie effect. Yet it's real, and it played a key role in Apollo and shuttle missions. Not all machines impress with size alone. Some shock us with agility. The DARPA Big Dog robot, with its four-legged frame, can run, climb, and carry loads across terrain where vehicles fail. Its lifelike movements are so uncanny that viewers often think it's CGI. Similarly, the Boston Dynamics Atlas robot leaps, runs, and flips like a trained athlete. Watching a humanoid robot move with such balance feels like stepping into a futuristic film, but it's cutting-edge reality. On water, the Seawise Giant, the largest ship ever constructed, dwarfed entire harbors. Longer than the Empire State Building is tall, it carried millions of barrels of oil. Seeing it at sea looked fake, as though someone had stretched video footage beyond normal proportions. Mining engineering also produced the overburden conveyor bridge F-60, nicknamed the Lying Eiffel Tower. Stretching over 500 meters, this conveyor system crawls across landscapes like a moving city. Its presence alone is enough to make people question if it's real footage. For destruction, the Kobelco SK3500D demolition machine is unrivaled. Designed to tear down skyscrapers, it stands taller than a 20-story building. Its extendable arm reaches unimaginable heights, biting through concrete like paper. Watching it methodically dismantle a tower looks like a Hollywood visual effect, but it's just pure engineering. The Caterpillar 797F mining truck, the Hitachi EX 8000 excavator, and the Komatsu D575A super dozer push heavy machinery to extremes. The Komatsu dozer alone can push 90 tons of material in one pass, resembling a steel mountain on tracks. Meanwhile, the Terex RH400 hydraulic excavator, weighing over 980 tons, proves that no earth-moving job is too large. Agriculture also has its surreal beast, the Big Bud 747 tractor. As the world's largest farm tractor, it dwarfs fields and plows acres in one sweep. It looks like someone magnified an ordinary tractor beyond reason, but it's been working faithfully since the 1970s. What unites them all is their power to defy human perception. Our eyes expect limits: vehicles the size of cars, planes that carry hundreds, excavators that dig modest trenches. Yet these machines exceed those limits so completely that our brains question their authenticity. They're not CGI. They're not models. They are humanity's boldest ideas forged into steel and motion. And this is what makes them fascinating. They aren't just mechanical tools, they are milestones. They prove that we can build beyond imagination, solving problems on scales previously thought impossible. From hauling mountains to carrying cities into the sky, these machines symbolize human ambition in its rawest form. That's why when we watch them in action, it feels fake. Because they're not just machines, they're monuments, proof that imagination and engineering can merge to achieve the unbelievable. So, the next time you come across a truck that looks like a moving skyscraper, or a robot running like a soldier, don't dismiss it as edited footage. It may very well be one of these groundbreaking machines, existing quietly in the real world, yet powerful enough to remind us that the line between fantasy and reality is thinner than we think.